Hi, this video will show you how to use the Rotary to do marking jobs. First, come to the software interface. We click the font button over here, then select an area on the screen by clicking the left mouse button. The text box will appear. Now I add a number here randomly. Remember, you always need to click Apply to activate the editing. For the rotary marking, let's go to the laser in the up menu bar and select Rotate Text Mark function. Firstly, we need to set the part diameter by measuring the diameter of the cylinder we need to mark today. The software will do the rest of the calculation for us. The diameter of the metal pipe we use today is 12 mm, so let's type 12 in the part diameter, then press OK to save the change. After this, we need to set the parameter setting. We can click this button here, or we can use the shortcut key F3. Normally, we will set the pauses per round at 12,800, the minimum speed at 100 pause per second, max speed at 3,200 pause per second. For different material, you need to adjust the speed to deliver different marking effect. So play out with your new toy. Okie dokie, let's click F1 button, the red light pointer, to locate the marking area on your cylinder, then you are all set. For more detailed information, you can turn to page 91 of the software menu we sent you.